Hey everyone, Professor Baldwin here, and I have another polynomial for us to factor. Remember, our first step whenever we factor a polynomial is to look for that GCF. And the GCF here is 2a. First, we factor out our GCF of 2a. Our first term becomes a squared. Our second term is minus 8a. And our last term is plus 16. Now, I know because I've factored a lot of polynomials in my life that this is a perfect square trinomial. But what if you don't notice that right away? Well, you can still factor it like you would factor any other polynomial. You look for the two values that multiply to 16, but they also add to negative 8. And what two numbers multiply to 16? Well, 2 and 8, but that can't add to negative 8. What about 4? 4 times 4. Well, if they're both positive, they multiply to a positive 16, but if they're both positive, they add to a positive 8. So we need them to both be negative. If they're both negative, they still multiply to a positive 16, but when we add them, we get a negative 8. So this is how we factor that polynomial. It factors as a minus 4 times a minus 4. But because these two binomials are identical, we can combine them. So we have 2a, our GCF, times a minus 4 squared, because we have a minus 4 times itself.